Sand and slippery rock. A depth perception nightmare. The rock is slippery because of the sand. We're not going all the way down to the beach. We're gonna go up Broken Hill.
Catching me in all my glory.
Exactly. The footing on this section of trail on Broken Hill is much better than the footing, I think, going down past Razor Point to the beach. So if I was going to do this hike again, I'd probably come down Broken Hill, even though there are a lot of steps, and go up past Razor Point back to the parking lot. This probably won't last, but it's nice in here. I expect the rest of the hike is on this. Certainly less than a mile to go. I'd call it an easy plus hike. It's made harder because of the slick rock and sand that you have to descend down and up. Though really, if you've got good agility and proper depth perception, it isn't too bad of a hike. And it's got some great views. And unfortunately, traffic.